Okay, so we are going to be doing a build series at Shelton View and do some time lapses and stuff. There's a berm right here, and Brody's making a little drop. I'm going to work in a second, and there's one more jump back there. You go up here, keep going, and a kick right there. We're going to make a landing and fill in that hole. So yeah, that's like the end of it. I wish it was longer, but that's all we got. So yeah.
46 and 49. I waited for a girl like you to come and save my life. All the days I waited for you. You know the ones who said I'd never find someone like you. You were out of my league. All the things I believed. You were just the right kind. Yeah, you were more than just a dream.
I tooted. This is almost done. Just need some padding, and yeah.
I'm gonna make this like awesomely big.
Out of this section, it's almost done, and the little gap back there. And we need to clip this, but we don't have a handsaw, so we'll come back with that.